Introduction to Generative AI for UX offers a guide to leveraging AI for user experience design. You'll learn a step-by-step process for editing content and utilizing AI assistants to generate product specifications. The presentation is by Patrick Neeman, Director of UX AI at Workday. Get ready to explore the possibilities of AI in transforming your UX workflows and accelerating your design process. The presentation highlights the AI for UX Slack group as a valuable resource for those interested in leveraging AI for user experience. Users are encouraged to join this group by visiting aiforex.org. Once a member, join this channel. This channel serves as a central hub for viewing the presentation itself and accessing other relevant files. It provides a community space for sharing information and resources related to AI and UX, fostering learning and collaboration among professionals. Patrick Neeman brings over 20 years of experience. He has built and led UX teams at various companies including JobVite, Aptio, Icertis, Knowable, and Evisort, and has also worked at Microsoft and Comcast. Neeman is the author of UX GPT Mastering AI Assistance for User Experience Designers, a book that provides practical frameworks for simplifying UX and AI workflows. His presentation, Introduction to Generative AI for UX, offers a practical guide to leveraging AI for user experience. AI can do some delightful things, like turn your likeness into a collectible. This isn't just fun, it's a reminder that creativity with prompts can go a long way. This method allows for a playful exploration of AI's capabilities in generating unique visual content. To create an AI action superhero, use the prompt on the screen. You can pause the video while you create the action figure. How did your AI action figure turn out? I hope well. Now we're going to talk about generative AI. Generative AI represents a significant leap in artificial intelligence, capable of creating novel content across various mediums, including text, images, code, and music. Unlike traditional AI that primarily analyzes existing data, generative AI learns patterns and structures from vast data sets to produce entirely new relevant outputs that often indistinguishably mimic human creation. This transformative technology operates on the principle of probabilistic prediction, meaning each generation is a unique remix based on learned patterns, leading to slightly different results every time. As a reminder, it doesn't reason, it mimics, remixing with endless available options. The technology doesn't think in a human sense, but rather remixes existing patterns. This ability to combine learned elements in countless ways is what makes generative AI so powerful in creating novel content. To effectively use Claude for mimicking my writing style, I can leverage its advanced natural language understanding and context capabilities. Claude excels at understanding and generating human-like text, making it suitable for content creation and adapting to specific tasks. In my case, with over 260,000 words from my blog posts, Claude learned my unique patterns, tone, and vocabulary. This large volume of existing data allows the AI to generate novel, contextually relevant outputs that appear human-made and align with my original voice. This approach allows me to efficiently generate content that maintains consistency with my personal writing voice, saving significant time in the content creation process. The rapid evolution of intelligent digital helpers is transforming daily life at an unprecedented pace. These advanced systems are continuously refining their ability to understand complex requests, leading to more natural and helpful interactions. Innovations in processing vast amounts of information allow them to provide real-time, accurate assistance across a multitude of tasks. Whether it's managing schedules, simplifying information retrieval, or enhancing personalized experiences, these evolving tools are constantly adapting to user needs. This means that what's considered most effective today might be surpassed by new capabilities tomorrow, highlighting a relentless cycle of improvement in the field. This slide, What are the best AI assistants, this week, compares ChatGPT, Claude, and Perplexity. It highlights ChatGPT's versatility and image generation, Claude's superior writing and nuanced reasoning, and Perplexity's real-time, cited answers, offering a quick overview of their distinct strengths. ChatGPT excels in a variety of language-based tasks, making it a versatile AI assistant. It's highly adept at generating human-like text for creative writing, from stories and poems to scripts, and can also assist significantly with coding by providing examples. Its ability to engage in detailed conversations and follow intricate instructions makes it a powerful tool for content creation and problem-solving. A key feature is its image generation capability, allowing users to create detailed images from textual prompts, which is particularly useful for visual content. The Custom GPT Store offers a marketplace of specialized versions of ChatGPT, enhancing its utility across diverse applications. This extensibility and broad utility make ChatGPT a leading choice for various linguistic and creative tasks and intelligent communication. Claude is recognized for its strengths in fostering clear communication, tackling creative problems, and demonstrating nuanced reasoning. It is particularly skilled at understanding and adapting to specific tasks, making it a valuable asset for complex projects requiring detailed comprehension. The Washington Post has lauded Claude for its superior writing abilities, highlighting its capacity to produce well-crafted, coherent, and contextually appropriate text. This makes it an excellent tool for professional writing, report generation, and any application where high-quality textual output is necessary. While it might not have the same breadth of features as some other AI assistants, Claude's focus on sophisticated language processing enables it to handle intricate linguistic challenges with precision and clarity, making it a preferred choice for users prioritizing textual quality. Perplexity distinguishes itself through its ability to provide real-time information retrieval, offering instant answers accompanied by cited sources. This feature is the advantage over traditional search engines, which often require users to sift through numerous links to find relevant information. Perplexity streamlines the research process by directly delivering concise answers with verifiable sources, eliminating the hunt-through search like a desperate UX designer at 2 a.m. Its strength lies in its immediate access to current data and its commitment to transparency by citing sources, which builds trust and ensures the reliability of the information provided. For anyone needing quick, well-supported answers, Perplexity stands out as a highly efficient and dependable AI assistant, particularly valuable in fields requiring rapid information validation. This slide poses the question, what is generative AI good and not good at? It sets the stage for a critical examination of the capabilities and limitations of generative AI. We delve into specific examples of where generative AI excels, such as generating structured language or providing a baseline for content, and where it falls short, like handling nuanced concepts or ensuring unbiased output. This serves as a crucial transition point, guiding the audience to consider the practical applications and inherent challenges of integrating generative AI into workflows. Generative AI exhibits several key strengths that make it a powerful tool for various content-related tasks. Its ability to produce clear, structured language is a significant advantage, as it can generate text that is coherent, well-organized, and adheres to established patterns and styles. This is particularly useful for creating reports, documentation, or marketing copy, where readability and consistency are crucial. The AI's training on vast datasets allows it to recognize and replicate linguistic structures, resulting in output that is not only grammatically correct, but also flows naturally, making it easy to understand. Another notable strength is its capacity to provide a solid baseline for content creation. Generative AI can quickly produce initial drafts or outlines for a wide range of tasks, effectively addressing the common challenge of starting from a blank page. By leveraging its extensive training data, it can offer a starting point that can then be refined and customized to meet specific requirements. This capability significantly accelerates the ideation and initial content generation phases, allowing users to move from concept to a tangible draft much more efficiently. This foundational output saves considerable time and effort, enabling faster iteration and development cycles. Generative AI proves highly effective in the final polishing and editing of content. It can assist in refining language, improving structural flow, and ensuring overall clarity, thereby enhancing the quality of existing text. This function is not about generating new content entirely, but rather acting as a sophisticated co-editor. It can identify awkward phrasing, suggest more impactful vocabulary, correct grammatical errors, and rephrase sentences for better readability and impact. The strengths of generative AI lie in its proficiency at crafting structured and readable language, its ability to provide a strong initial content baseline, and its effectiveness as a tool for final content refinement. These combined capabilities position it as a versatile and efficient asset for anyone involved in content creation, from initial drafting to final polish, streamlining workflows, and improving the quality of written output. Generative AI, despite its impressive capabilities, faces limitations when it comes to handling nuanced concepts. Its reliance on pattern recognition from vast datasets means it struggles with information that lacks clear, consistent patterns or requires a deeper, contextual understanding. It doesn't possess comprehension or the ability to apply complex reasoning beyond the correlations it has learned. This limitation becomes apparent when dealing with abstract ideas, subtle distinctions, or topics that demand genuine insight rather than just data regurgitation. For instance, while it can summarize factual information, it might falter in interpreting satire, irony, or the subjective experiences that are central to human communication. Its output can often feel superficial or incomplete when grappling with the intricacies of human thought and emotion. Another substantial challenge for generative AI lies in producing language that demands absolute precision. In fields where accuracy is paramount, such as legal documents, medical diagnoses, or technical specifications, the AI's tendency to predict the next most probable word rather than truly understanding the implications of its output can lead to critical errors. While it can generate grammatically correct sentences, it may not grasp the subtle semantic differences that can significantly alter meaning in a precise context. This deficiency makes it unreliable for tasks where even minor inaccuracies could have severe consequences, necessitating meticulous human review and correction. A critical shortcoming of generative AI is its inability to create purely unbiased content. Because these models learn from existing data, they inevitably absorb and amplify the biases present within that data. If the training data reflects societal prejudices, stereotypes, or underrepresentation of certain groups, the AI's output will mirror these biases. This means that content generated by AI, if not carefully monitored and adjusted, can reinforce harmful stereotypes or provide incomplete or unfair representations of reality. Addressing this issue requires not only careful data selection, but also sophisticated post-processing and human oversight to ensure fairness and inclusivity in the AI's output. You can ask generative AI questions to explore its capabilities and limitations. This process can clarify how it generates new content. By asking questions, you can understand its potential for tasks like content generation. It helps to frame your inquiries to test its ability to produce coherent and organized text. Engaging with the AI through questions also allows you to see how it handles concepts and precision. This iterative approach helps you understand where AI is strong and where human in the loop is still critical. A single chat conversation within an AI assistant for a chain of thought prompt is a highly effective strategy for content editing. By maintaining a continuous dialogue, the AI retains context from previous interactions and edits, allowing for more coherent and intelligent revisions. This method enables users to guide the AI through a series of incremental improvements, building upon prior feedback and modifications. The chain of thought approach ensures that the AI understands the overall editing goal and the progression of changes, leading to more refined and accurate outputs for content polishing and quality enhancement. Generative AI can effectively edit Bob Ross content, preserving his unique voice. For example, a prompt like, "Reduce this content by 25% and write it in active voice in a Bob Ross voice and tone," allows the AI to condense text while maintaining his signature, optimistic, and gentle style. This ensures that even when content is trimmed, it still sounds authentically like Bob Ross, encouraging happy little accidents. The AI's ability to mimic his rhythm makes it a powerful tool for maintaining consistent voice and creative content. Pause the video now to work on this. You can also convert it to other voices, like Stephen King content, particularly when aiming to expand or modify it while retaining his distinctive voice. A prompt like, "Change the voice and tone to Stephen King and double the number of words," demonstrates the capability to analyze his extensive bibliography to understand his characteristic suspense, psychological depth, and unsettling narrative style. This allows it to generate additional text that feels authentic, even when increasing the word count or altering plot points. The goal isn't just to add words, but to weave new elements seamlessly into King's established atmosphere of dread and human frailty. Pause the video now to work on this. Generative AI can transform Bob Ross's calming content into a Michael Stipe-esque song. Imagine feeding AI a Bob Ross quote like, "We don't make mistakes, just happy accidents," and prompting, "Change the language to a Michael Stipe of REM song." The AI would then output lyrics reflecting Stipe's cryptic, introspective, and often melancholic style. It might produce lines about unintended beauty emerging from chaos, or the quiet revelation in the everyday, all while echoing REM's characteristic vocal cadence and poetic ambiguity. This creative editing showcases AI's ability to cross-pollinate artistic styles. Pause the video now to work on this. There's a fundamental characteristic of generative AI, its probabilistic nature. The core message is that AI predicts answers, and as a result, the output will be slightly different each time a prompt is given. In this example, it's the images in the background. This concept is crucial for users to understand, as it implies that generative AI is not a deterministic system that produces identical results. It operates on probabilities, selecting the most likely sequence of words, pixels, or notes based on training data. This highlights that this inherent variability is a key feature rather than a bug. It sets the expectation that while AI can be incredibly useful, its outputs are not always perfectly repeatable, requiring users to adapt to its statistical rather than rule-based approach. This is a prompt you can use. Why is generative AI probabilistic in nature? Explain in terms a designer can understand. It aims to clarify the non-deterministic aspect of AI output. The prompt seeks an explanation tailored for designers, likely focusing on concepts like pattern recognition and the statistical basis of AI's content generation. The care prompting format is a structured approach designed to optimize interactions with AI assistants, leading to more precise and relevant outputs. It breaks down effective prompting into 4 key components: context, ask, rules, and examples. Context involves providing the AI with all necessary background information to understand the scenario. This sets the stage and helps the AI grasp the situation, which is crucial for generating pertinent responses. Ask clearly defines the specific task or question the user wants the AI to address. This ensures the AI's focus is directed toward a particular objective. Rules establish any constraints, requirements, or guidelines that the AI must adhere to during its response generation. This could include tone, length, format, or specific vocabulary to use or avoid. Examples offer concrete instances of the desired output. Providing examples helps the AI understand formatting preferences or specific types of content expected, leading to more aligned results. By applying the CARE framework, users can significantly enhance the quality of AI-generated content, minimizing ambiguity and maximizing effectiveness. Wow! Generating a product brief through chain-of-thought prompting is an efficient method to overcome the blank page problem. This step-by-step flow in an AI assistant allows you to build a draft specification incrementally. The goal is to establish a strong starting point, not to achieve a perfect final answer immediately. This process helps streamline discovery and generate ideas rapidly, often in minutes rather than weeks, by guiding the AI through a logical progression of thought. I recommend using a single chat session with your AI assistant. This chain-of-thought approach ensures that the AI retains context from previous interactions, building upon prior responses. It's crucial to keep all the sessions work within this continuous conversation to achieve the most coherent and effective results from the AI. At any point, you can pause the video. I want to show you how powerful generative AI can be for quickly ideating. You can simply ask it to suggest 10 problems that need to be solved for an application you want to work on in a jobs-to-be-done format as a numbered list. This is a fantastic way to jumpstart your problem-solving process. Instead of staring at a blank page, you'll have a solid list of potential ideas ready for you to explore further. Pause the video now to work on this. Now let's take a look at the next step in this process. Once we've identified those initial problems, we can then dive deeper. I'm going to show you how to write a problem statement based on jobs to be done for a specific number in the How Might We format. This is where we take a specific problem that the AI suggested, say problem number 3, and reframe it. By using the Jobs to be Done framework, we focus on what the user is truly trying to accomplish, and then by phrasing it as a How Might We question, we open the door to creative solutions. Pause the video now to work on this. This is where we tell the AI to write 3 measurable outcomes based on the problem statement. This is incredibly important because if we can't measure it, we can't improve it. We're going from a broad problem to very concrete outcomes. For instance, if our How Might We was about improving task completion, a measurable outcome might be reducing the time spent on a task by X%, or increasing user satisfaction scores by Y points. This forces us to think specifically about what success looks like, providing clear targets for our design solutions and ultimately for our product's impact. Pause the video now to work on this. I'm going to show you how to prompt the AI to write high-level user stories based on the problem statement in the standard user story format of, as a user, I want, so I can get this in a bulleted list. The format should include a verb-noun title and the user story. The epic should be the first bullet. This is fantastic for outlining the core functionalities from the user's perspective. We're essentially telling the story of how our solution will meet their needs, starting with the big picture, the epic, and then breaking it down into manageable, user-focused goals. It really helps in aligning our efforts with actual user value. Pause the video now to work on this. After we've established our high-level user stories, the next step is to add the crucial details that make them truly actionable. I'm going to show you how I prompt the AI to write detailed user stories based on the problem statement in the standard user story format and include acceptance criteria. The format should include a verb-noun summarized title and the user story. This is where we break down those broader goals into specific testable pieces of functionality. Adding acceptance criteria is key. It defines the conditions under which a user story is considered complete and successful. This level of detail is invaluable for development teams, ensuring everyone understands exactly what needs to be built and how to verify it. Pause the video now to work on this. Congratulations! I hope you see now how powerful this process is. We've just solved the infamous blank page problem for product briefs, quickly generating a foundation. This approach, leveraging AI, transforms what used to take weeks into a matter of minutes, setting you up for rapid ideation and development. Now let's think about the future. What if we could take everything we've just learned about generating product briefs and apply it directly from a prototype? Imagine the efficiency. That's the next frontier I'm exploring and what you'll dive into in my upcoming class. It's about truly transforming our workflow. To all of you watching, I want to talk about how you can take these concepts further. My class, Using Generative AI to Design and Prototype, will catapult you from AI curious to AI empowered in just 4 weeks. We'll go from manual wireframing to rapid concept generation, shifting you from a pixel pusher to a solution superhero. And for even deeper dives, my book, UX-GPT, Mastering AI Assistance for User Experience Designers, is your guide to streamlining discovery and getting ideas in minutes instead of weeks. Both are designed to unlock the power of AI for your UX and product management tasks. For those of you looking to really dive deep and transform your workflow, I want to tell you about my upcoming class, Using Generative AI to Design and Prototype. This isn't just another theory course. It's designed to take you from being simply AI curious to genuinely AI empowered in a focused 4-week period. We're going to fundamentally shift your approach, moving you away from manual wireframing, what I call pixel pushing, and toward becoming a solution superhero. You'll learn how to leverage generative tools across the entire design process, rapidly generating prototypes in a fraction of the time. It's about moving from hours or even days of work to achieving impactful results in mere minutes. To everyone watching, I also want to highlight my book, UX-GPT, Mastering AI Assistance for User Experience Designers and Product Managers. This book is your comprehensive guide to really harnessing the power of AI for all your UX and product management tasks. I wrote it to help you unlock ways to streamline your discovery process and generate invaluable ideas in minutes, rather than the weeks it often takes. It's packed with practical frameworks and prompts to help you leverage AI assistants to create everything from user stories to product briefs. UXGPT is designed to transform how you approach your daily work, making you far more efficient and effective. Thank you for watching the Introduction to Generative AI for UX presentation. I hope you found the content insightful. Embracing AI can truly transform your workflows, making you more efficient and impactful. I appreciate your time and engagement.